How to enable HVCI Valorant. In this video, I will guide you step by step on how you can fix Valorant HVCI enabled error. The first thing you want to do is click on the Start menu and here search for Settings. Now, on the left, you want to select Privacy and Security, then head over to Windows Security. Now, scroll down to Device Security and here you want to click on Core Isolation. Click Core Isolation Details and turn Memory Integrity off. So if this is enabled, you simply want to turn it off. Once that is done, restart your computer. Now launch open Valorant and check if this issue is resolved. If not, then you want to enable virtualization technology in your BIOS. You want to look for SVM model or virtualization technology and ensure it's enabled. After enabling, restart your computer and try launching Valorant again. That's all for this video. If you found it useful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.